Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, welcome back to Nisa Academy. Shana Sheikh here. So in the last two videos we completed the model question papers of Goa board level 1 and level 2, and all the video links are mentioned in the description box. So in this video today we'll see some important MCQs on the chapter trigonometry. So before I begin, let me tell you that please don't be completely dependent on this this MCQs, like these are the only ones, okay, which will come. Definitely not. You have to practice a lot, okay. The more you practice the better. I have prepared this list based on last year's prelim question papers, board question papers. Then I have used references like the preparatories, which are published by RAJHAUNS and SAHIL PRAKASHAN. As you know, these are the two most used and the most important preparatories used in Goa board, and I will definitely suggest you to buy this if you want to score really good marks in examination. They have really good sample papers for you to practice, so please do buy and practice those preparatories. So based on them, okay, from references from them and some last year's papers, this year's prelim papers and board question papers, I prepared this list. Hope it will be helpful for you. So please do share, and please comment me that which chapter you want to see the next, like on which chapter you want to see some multiple choice questions. So let's begin, okay. So trigonometry important multiple choice questions for level 1, okay. So let's begin. The simplified form of cos square a into secant square a plus cosec square a into sin square a is. So cos square a. Now secant square a, can I write it as 1 upon cos square? Yes, because secant and cos are reciprocals of each other, right? Then cosec square a. Again I can write sin as 1 upon cosec square a. Okay. So cos square gets cancelled, cosec square gets cancelled. So this is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So the answer is option C, 2. Yes? Okay. Question number 2. If 3 sin A equal to 4 cos A, then tan A equal to, tan theta is what? In terms of sin and cos? Yes, sin by cos. Okay. So now 3 sin A. If I divide both the sides by cos A, so here it will be sin by cos, and cos A will get cancelled. It will remain 4. So therefore this is 3 tan A equal to 4. Now we just want tan A, right? So divide both the sides by 3. So here it will be 4 by 3. Okay, the 3 will get cancelled over there. So the answer is option B, 4 by 3. Okay? Yes. Next question. Which of the following is well defined? So now see here, cot 0. Cot 0 is not defined because it is cos upon sine, and sine 0 is 0. Okay. Again, sec 90 is not defined because cos 90 is 0, right? So that is not defined. Then cosec 90, yes, sine 90 is 1. So 1 upon 1, yes, cosec 90 is defined. Okay. So the answer is option C. Then the value of the trigonometric expression sin 90 into cos square 30 minus secant 60 plus cosec square 45. So let's just put the values one by one. Sin 90 is 1 into cos square 30 is root 3 by 2. Yeah, same as sin 60. Okay, secant 60, cos 60 1 upon 2, so secant 60 is 2. Then cosec square 45, sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, so cosec is root 2. Okay, so this is 1 into this is 3 by 4 minus 2 plus 2. Okay, so 3 by 4 minus 2 plus 2, so this gets cancelled. So the answer is 3 by 4. So option D. Okay, 3 by 4. Yes? Okay. Then question number 5. The value of the trigonometric expression sin 65 into cos 25 plus cos 65 into sin 25 is sin 65. Now see, we will use here complementary angles. So sin 65, if I want to get 65 from 90, how much should I subtract to get 65? Yes, 90 minus 25. Okay, because 25 plus 65 is 90. So this will remain as it is. Then again from cos 65, to get 65, how much should I subtract from 90? Exactly 25. And this remains sine 25. Okay, sine of 90 minus theta is what? Cos theta. And this is cos 25. Cos of 90 minus theta, sine theta. Again sine 25. Cos square 25 plus sine square 25, which is equal to cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. So the answer is option C, 1. Yes? Okay. Next problem. If tan 2x is equal to cot of x minus 18, then find x. Okay. Again here the complementary angles. So see tan 2x, how can I write? Okay. Because tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. Or the same, cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. Okay. So I can write this as cot of 90 minus 2x. Because cot of 90 minus theta is what? Tan theta. Right? Cot of, I will write here, 90 minus theta is tan theta. So tan 2x, if I have to get tan 2x, so cot of 90 minus 2x, right? Which is cot of again here x minus 18 degree. Cot gets cancelled. 90 minus 2x is equal to x minus 18. So 90 plus 18 x plus 2x. So this is 108 equal to 3x. So what will be x? Yes, 108 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. So the answer is option B, 36 degree. Okay? Yes. So the next problem. Again complementary angles. Okay? So same like how we did for tan and cot. Same here goes for sine. Okay? Now here this whole 45 is your whole angle. Okay? Theta. Okay? 45 plus theta is basically your main angle. Huh? So like here it was 2x. Okay, so it is here 45 plus theta. So how can I write, if I want to get sine of like 45 plus theta, I will write like this, right? Cos of 90 minus this is 45 plus theta. Right? This will be sine of 45 plus theta. Minus this is cos of 45 minus theta. So cos of, so 90, I will take it outside. Okay, minus 45, this is minus theta minus cos of 45 minus theta. So cos of 90 minus 45 is 45 minus theta minus cos of 45 minus theta. So cos 45 minus theta minus cos of 45 minus theta, which is equal to 0. So the answer is option B, 0. Yes? Understood? Okay? Then next problem. 1 plus tan square upon 1 plus cot square. So 1 plus tan square. What is 1 plus tan square? Sec square A. And what is 1 plus cot square? Cosec square theta or cosec square A. Now here can you see the option? No. So what? 1 upon sec square is 1 upon cos square A, and cosec 1 upon sine square. So this is 1 upon cos square into this will be sine square A upon 1, right? So sine square A upon cos square A, which is what? Sine by cos. Yes, exactly. Tan theta, so square tan square A. So the answer is option D, tan square A. Yes? Question number 9. If cos A equal to 4 upon 5, then find the value of tan A. Okay. So yes. So one of the ways which you usually do, like take a triangle ABC. Okay. So cos A, 4 upon 5. Cos is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent, this is 4k upon hypotenuse 5k, right? And we have to find BC. So yes, Pythagoras theorem, let's apply. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is 5k square, AB is 4k square plus BC square. So 25k square is equal to 16k square plus BC square. Therefore, BC square is 25 minus 16, 25k square minus 16k square, which is 9k square. So therefore, BC is equal to square root of 9, 3, and k square is k. So the answer is BC is 3k. So now we have to find tan A. So tan is what? Tan A is, yes, opposite upon adjacent, right? So what is the opposite? Opposite is 3k, adjacent is 4k. So which is 3 by 4. Okay, option B. Another way, see what you can do is, so cos A is what? 4 by 5, right? So cos square A, yes, 16 by 25, correct? So now we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? So now 1 minus cos square is what? Sin square, right? So can I write this as 1 minus 16 by 25 is equal to sin square A? So cross multiply, 25 minus 16 by 25 is sin square A. So what you will get, therefore sin square A is 9 by 25. Therefore sin will be what? Yes, 3 by 5. Okay, but you want tan A. Sin by cos? Yes, so tan A equal to sin A by cos A. What is sin? 3 by 5. And what is cos? Yes, sorry, cos is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. So 5 gets cancelled. What remains again? 3 by 4. So the same. Okay, same answer. So anyway, whichever way you want to do, okay, you can do it whichever way you feel easy. The answer you will get is the same. Okay. Let's go for the next problem. Question number 10. If sin A equal to root 3 by 2 and cos B equal to half, then the value of A plus B is sin A. So root 3 by 2. Now which angle of sine is root 3 by 2? Yes, exactly, sine 60. So can I write root 3 by 2 as sine 60, right? And cos B, okay, which angle of cos is half? Cos 30, right? So this gets cancelled. So A is 60 here and this get cancelled. B is 30. You have to find A plus B. So 60 plus 30, which is 90. So the answer is option C, 90. Okay? Yes? Question number 11. If sin square A minus 10 plus cos square equal to 40 equal to 1, then the value of A is. Again, here we will use the trigonometric identity. Okay, so this I will take over here, 1 minus cos square 40. Now what is 1 minus cos square? Just now we have seen 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, which is for sin square 40. So sin square gets cancelled. A minus 10 equal to 40. Therefore, A equal to 40 plus 10, 50. So the answer is option C, 50 degree. Yes? Okay. Next problem. If sin theta is equal to cos 3 theta minus 30 degree, where theta is an acute angle, then the value of theta is. Okay, so sin theta. So sin is what? Cos of 90 minus theta, right? So can I write sin theta as cos of 90 minus theta equal to this will remain as it is. Okay, cos gets cancelled. So 90 minus theta is 3 theta minus 30 degree. So 90 plus 30 and this is 3 theta plus plus theta. Okay, so 120 equal to 4 theta. Therefore theta is 120 by 4. So 4 3s are 40. So the answer is option B, equal to 30 degree. Okay, this is how you have to find. So complementary angles. Okay, very important they are. Okay, so next problem. Question number 13. Tan 5 degree into tan 30 degree into 4 tan 85 degree equal to. Now see, 5 plus 85, how much? 90, right? So can I use the complementary angles? Yes. So if I want to get 5 degrees, so from 90, how much I will subtract? 85, exactly. This is tan 30 equal to 4 tan 85. Tan of 90 minus theta, cot 85. This is tan 30. 30 into this I can write 1 upon cot of 85, right? Because tan and cot are reciprocals of each other. This will get cancelled. 4 into tan 30. Yes, 4 into tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So this is 4 by root 3. So option, yes, option A, 4 by root 3. Okay. Question number 14. 3 sine square 20 minus 2 tan square 45 plus 3 sine square 70 equal to. So now see 20 plus 70, 90. Yes. So again complementary angles. So 3 sine square 20. Let's arrange it. I will take this 70 over here. 3 sine square 70 minus 2 tan square 45. Okay. So 3 will take common. So sine square 20 plus sine square 70. Can I write it as sine of this is 90 minus 20, correct? If I want to get 70, what I will write? Yes, 90 minus 20. So this is minus 2 10 square 45 degree. Okay. So 3 sine square 20. Sine of 90 minus theta? Cos theta. So since it is sine square, so it will be cos square. Minus 2 10 square 45. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus 2 10. What is 10 45? Yes, again 1, right? So 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1. So the answer, yes, option C. Correct? Okay. Question number 15. If cos theta equal to 1 upon 2, then the value of cos theta in the bracket cos theta minus secant theta is. So cos theta in the bracket cos theta minus secant theta. So multiply cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta minus cos theta into secant theta. Okay. So now cos square theta minus cos, can I write this as secant theta is 1 upon cos. So this will get cancelled. So this is cos square theta minus 1. Now what is cos theta? Yes, 1 upon 2. So this is 1 upon 2 square minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1. Cross multiply 1 minus 4 by 4, which is minus 3 by 4. Right? So the answer, yes, exactly. Option B, minus 3 by 4. Yes? Okay? Next problem. The relation involving secant theta in terms of tan theta is. So see here. Secant theta. Now what is secant theta? How can I write it? We have to express in terms of tan. Okay. So secant theta I can write 1 upon cos theta. Yes. Now we want in terms of tan. So see here, tan theta is what? Sine by cos, right? Sine by cos. Now if you see here, you have in the denominator cos, but you don't have sine theta in the numerator. So what? Just multiply both the numerator and the denominator by sine theta. So cos theta, this is, okay, 1 into sine theta upon cos theta into sine theta. Now take this here. So sine theta upon cos theta, okay, into, can I write this as 1 upon sine theta? Yes, same it is. See, sine into 1 upon cos into sine, correct? And what is sine theta? Yes, it is tan theta, and this is upon sine theta, right? Tan theta upon sine theta. Now let's see the option. Yes, option D, right? So we have expressed secant theta in terms of tan theta. Okay. So instead of going through the options, okay, that is also one thing, you can go through the options. But the best is what? Just try to express secant theta in terms of time, you'll just get the answer. Okay. Yes. Next problem. Question number 17. The value of cos raised to 4 theta minus cos square theta is. Again the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, just remember this. Very important. Then sin square theta, how you can write? 1 minus cos square theta. And cos square theta, how you can write is 1 minus sin square theta. So you have to use just this, formulas in here. So cos raised to 4 theta minus cos square theta. So this is cos square theta square. Correct? 4 na square of square. So cos square theta. So cos square theta, again I can write here 1 minus sin square theta square minus this I can write 1 minus sin square theta. Now this is a minus b whole square. So what is it? A square. Yes, minus 2ab. 2ab is sin square theta plus b square. So sin square theta square square. right? Minus this, I can write minus 1 minus minus plus sine square theta. So this is 1 minus 2 sine square theta plus this is sine raised to 4 theta minus 1 plus sine square theta. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, minus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta, which is minus sine square theta, and this is plus sine raised to 4 theta. Just I will arrange and write properly. So sine raised to 4 theta, and this is minus sine square theta. Okay. So let's just see if we have the option. Yes, we have. And the correct option is D. Sine raised to 4 theta minus sine square theta. The same answer? Yes? Okay. So very important identity this is. Okay. In fact, all the three identities are important, but this is the mostly used. Okay. Then let's go for the next problem. Question number 28, question number 18, the value of cos square 28 plus cos square 62 upon 1 plus sine 31 into secant 59. So again here the same thing, complementary angles, okay. So cos square 28 plus cos square 62, which is total is, yes, 90. So cos square 28, so cos square, can I write this as cos square of 90 minus 28? Yes, if I want to get 68, what I will do? Subtract 28 from 90, right? And this is 1 plus sine of 31, and this secant, can I write it as 1 upon cos 59? Yes, okay. So which is equal to, so cos square 28 plus cos of 90 minus theta? Yes, sine square 28, okay. This is 1 plus sine 31 degree into, now this is cos 59 plus 31 is 90. So can I write this as cos of, if I want 59, so I will subtract what? 31 from 90? Exactly. Cos square plus sine square theta is 1. This is 1 plus sine 31 into, this is 1 upon cos of 90 minus theta, sine theta. Okay, this gets cancelled. So this is 1. This is 1 plus 1 into 1. Again 1. So 1 upon 2. So let's see if you have the option. Yes, the option B, 1 by 2. Okay, this is one of the questions from your last year, this board question paper. So hope you understood. Question number 19. If phi cos theta is equal to 12 sin theta, then cosec theta equal to. So see here, again what you can do is, you can either go for tan or cot, it's up to you. So phi cos theta, I can take here sine over here. So this will be 12. So cos upon sine is cot. So cot theta, this will go over there. So 12 by 5. Okay, now the same thing. You can go for a triangle, name it as ABC. This is 90, and we'll take this as theta. So cot is what? Yes, adjacent upon opposite. Adjacent is this, opposite is this. We have to find the hypotenuse again. What? Right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus this is BC square equal to AC. You don't have AC. AB you have 12k square. BC you have 5k square. So AC square, this is 144k square plus 25k square. So AC square is, this is 169k square. So AC equal to 13k. Okay. So this is 13k. So now what you want? Cosec theta, right? So cosec is what? Hypotenuse, that is 13k upon opposite, which is 5k. So kk gets cancelled, which is 13 by 5. Okay. You can even use the identity here. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square. See, what is the identity? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Right? So 1 plus cot square. So cot is what? 12 by 5. So 1 plus 12 by 5 square, which is equal to cosec square theta. So 1 plus 144 by 25 is equal to cosec square. So cross multiply, 25 plus 144 by 25 equal to cosec square theta. So how much it is? 169 by 25 equal to cosec square theta. So take the square root. Cosec theta equal to 169 is 13. 25 is 5. So the same answer, yes. So whichever way you feel easy, you can go with that. So option D, 13/5. Yes. Okay. Next problem. Question number 20, the simplified form of under root 1 upon sine square plus 1 upon cos square. So square root 1 upon sine square theta plus 1 upon cos square theta equal to cross multiply cos square theta plus sine square theta upon sine square theta into cos square theta. Okay, take separate square root. This is cos square theta plus sine square theta upon this will be root sine square theta into, can I take root cos square theta? Directly also we can do it, no problem. So cos square theta plus sine square is 1 and root 1 is 1. Okay, directly we write just 1. And this is root sine square is the sine theta square root and cos square is cos theta. So this is 1 upon, I can write separately 1 upon sine into 1 upon cos. What is 1 upon sine? Yes, cosec theta. And what is 1 upon cos? Sec theta. Yes, see here, cosec sec. Right? Okay. So we got the answer. Okay, option C. Question number 21. If triangle ABC is right angle at B, then the value of cos A plus C is. So triangle ABC. Okay, ABC. ABC. Okay, right angle at B. And they are asking us to find cos of A plus C. Now B is 90. So how much will be A plus C? Yes, obviously it will be 90 only, na? The addition of A plus C, because sum of the angles of a triangle is how much? 180. Or you can see like this, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is how much? 180. Angle sum property, right? So B is 90. So angle A plus angle C, 180. This B will go over here. 180 minus 90 is 90. Okay, so A plus C is 90. So cos of A plus C. So cos of A plus C is cos 90 and cos 90 is, yes, 0, right? So the correct answer is option B, 0. Okay, this is how you are supposed to find this. Then question number 22. The simplified form of cosec theta minus cot theta whole bracket square is. So what you can do is cosec theta, na? So just change it to sine. 1 upon sine theta. Okay. And cot theta is what? Cos by sine whole square. Right. So denominator is same. So can I write this is 1 minus cos theta upon this is, okay, sine theta whole square. So 1 minus cos theta, this is whole bracket square upon this is sine square theta. Again the identity cos square plus sine square, right? So this I will take, as it is. Sine square theta I can write 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So 1 minus this I can write, say it is twice, right? So can I write this as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta? Yes, square, no? So twice, right? So I will write this 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So like see x minus y whole square is what actually x minus y into x minus y, right? So same. So and this is a square minus b square. So I can write 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. A square. A minus b, a plus b. A square minus b square. Okay. So this gets cancelled. So what remains? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, option C. Okay, this is the problem from your NCERT textbook exercise. Okay, exercise problem it is. And yes, if you solve, please study your exercise problems as well. Okay, and textbook is very important as in your multiple choice question. Please read your NCERT textbook, everything, like even the solved problems, please read those, understand those. Okay, very helpful. The textbook is the most important, okay, for your multiple this choice questions and exam. So next, okay, if A and B are complementary angles, then see, we know which are the complementary. First, yes, sine and cos, correct? Sine cos, then what? Cot tan and sec cos, right? So now no, first option no, second no, third is correct, cos and sec, right? So the answer is cos A into equal to sec. Question number 24. If cos A minus sin A equal to 0, then sin raised to 6A minus sin square A equal to. Okay. So cos A minus sin A equal to 0. So can I write cos A equal to sin A? Okay, it will go there. So 0 plus sin is sin A. So cos A equal to sin A. So which angle of cos and sin is the same? Yes, 45, right? Because cos 45 and sin 45 both are 1 upon root 2. So can I just write directly A equal to 45 degree? And this A I will substitute over here, sin raised to 6A minus sin square to find the value. Now if you don't remember this like cos A, which angle, you cannot think of this way, you can just write, see, cos A equal to sin A, and cos A, what is cos of 90 minus theta? Sin theta. So can I write sin as cos of 90 minus A? Right? Because cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta, or you can even change cos. Okay. So therefore cos gets cancelled. A is equal to 90 minus A. 2A equal to 90. So A is 90 by 2, which is 45. So again you are getting the same angle. Okay. Now just write sin raised to 6, I will write 45 minus sin square 45 degree. Okay. So which is 1 upon root 2 raised to 6, because sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 and this is 1 upon root 2 square. So if you are not able to like directly think of what is the value of root 2 raised to 6, see what you can do. 1 upon root 2 raised to square raised to 3, right? 2 3s are 6, no? And this is what? 1 upon 2. Now you know 1 upon root 2 square is what? 1 upon 2. Okay, cube minus this is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 cube is 1 upon 8, right? Now you can find minus 1 upon 2. So just the LCM is what? 8. Okay, this is 1, 2 4s are. So here will multiply this by 4. Okay, see, just for your knowledge. Okay, so 1 minus 4 minus 3 by 8. So the answer is option D, minus 3 by 8. Okay, understood? You can have some other also like sin square A or even cos square. Okay, some other expressions also. So this is the way how you should solve. Then question number 25. If cos 3 theta is equal to root 3 upon 2, then the value of sin 6 theta will be. Now cos 3 theta, so root 3 by 2. Okay, so cos 3 theta. So which angle of theta cos is root 3 by 2? Yes, cos 30. Sorry, cos 30. Okay, so cos gets cancelled. 3 theta is equal to 30. So theta is equal to 30 by 3, which is 10. Yes. Okay. So now let's substitute in this. So sin 6 theta is sin 6 into 10 degree, right? So which is sin 60, and what is sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So the answer option C, root 3 by 2. Yes. So this were all the some questions, like 25 questions on trigonometry. If you have any doubt or you want some other trigonometry questions, have or some problems, then you can just send me on my Telegram channel. Okay, you can just connect me through Telegram or Instagram, or you can mail me as well. I will try, definitely try my best to help you out. So hope you like this video, and please share with your friends. Okay, and do comment and tell me which next chapter you want to see, like MCQs on which chapter. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye, see you.